All right, staff, this is Jeff, and in this short clip, I'm going to show you how to embed a Flipgrid into a Pear Deck presentation. So here I have a presentation that I want to facilitate with my learners, and let's say I want to just kind of do a social emotional check-in and see kind of what's filling their bucket and what's draining it. So after they complete this task on their own, I'm going to ask them to focus in on the positive things, right? Things that are filling their bucket. So in order to get that information, I'd like to hear from them and see their face and, get a quick snapshot into where they're at. So what I did was I made a Flipgrid, and instructions for how to make Flipgrid can be found on our technology support website. And this Flipgrid, the prompt asks the learners to answer what fills their bucket most, and then they have 60 seconds to explain that. Okay, so in order to put this Flipgrid into my Pear Deck, I'm going to go here and I'm going to click on Share. Then I'm going to copy the web address. Okay, next, when I go here into my Pear Deck, I'm going to add a new slide. I'm going to go with a blank slide. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose the website option. And then I will paste the Flipgrid URL there. And the preview shows exactly what I want it to, which is the prompt there, what fills your bucket the most. Click Update Slide, and they should be good to go from there. If I would like to put the prompt here on the slide so that they can see it kind of side by side, that might not be a bad idea. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go ahead and copy the prompt and then add a text box and paste my prompt here. And then I'm going to go ahead and make that just a little bit bigger. And that's it. I mean, that's how you can go ahead and share a Flipgrid prompt in a Pear Deck session. And then if you click on the link underneath here, you'll be able to interact with this and see it from the student's perspective.